Hello guys, welcome to Dat Retail Trader. Today we are talking about support and resistance. There will be 6 tips on how to draw support and resistance like a professional. Few strategies as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start with the very basic question. Draw your trend lines through the candle's body or wick. People find themselves in doubt which is the best possible way of drawing trend line. There are two ways. Number one, connecting through most touches. Here body or wick does not matter. Wick, body. The second one is drawing zones. So here we see there is a zone of support in Bank Nifty. We will draw a zone here. As you can see, price broke through here, took support, came down, again a rally, took support, and now it's taking support again at these levels. In chart pattern, there is always a zone and never a definite line or number or a figure which the price will touch and reverse its direction. So this is a good zone where price is taking support. Again here find rejection, took support, and second time again took support here. The next question, why we should not draw big zones like this to cover this wick or cover this candle? Because the first thing is it looks terrible. The second one, when we go to lower time frames, it will start confusing us. So it is better to draw small zones. It looks nice and it won't confuse us when we go in lower time frame. Now let's move towards the criteria to understand support and resistance. Number one, swing highs and swing low. So here we have a swing high, the highest point, again swing high, swing high, swing low, and here the lowest swing low. Second, multiple rejections. Here we have 3 rejections. One, two, three. The more rejections, the better. Third one, the levels must be obvious, means they should be easy to find. So here we have a swing high, easy, and we have a swing low, obvious levels. Fourth, the move away from the area should be drastic, means when price touches here, it should bounce higher. Again, it bounces higher. In the resistance area, price comes and goes down. So it should be a drastic move away. Fifth, levels has acted both support and resistance. Here we have a good example. Price came to this area, went down. Again, second try, came down. Third try, came down. And here it breaks and acts as a support. Sixth one, recently respected or formed. Here we can see price has recently found rejection and here support, means price has respected these areas. From the above criteria, if the price fulfills any of the criteria, will declare as a support or resistance. But the more criteria it fulfills, the better. Now, let's go to the charts and know all 6 criteria perfectly. First one, extreme swing highs and swing lows. Here, the price goes up and here comes down. That makes this area as an extreme swing high and this area is extreme swing low. Now let's move on to the second one. Multiple rejections. You can see here price came down this area and reversed. Again, second time came to this area and reversed. The third time it came to this area and reversed. So why is this important? Multiple rejection shows that price reacted to this area more than once, meaning traders took action every time price came to this zone. Let's move on to the third one. Third, the levels should be easy to find, obvious levels. So here you can see in Bank Nifty, this level acts as a resistance and down here this level acts as a support. Most of the time levels we should be able to find in the first occasion. It should be very simple. Why is this important? It means more traders will be eyeing these levels, which increases the probability that traders will be taking action on these levels as closing or opening positions. Let's move on to the next one. Fourth, the move away from the area must be drastic. Here we can see price came at this direction and bounced up. Again at this position, price came here and bounced. And we can see a swing high over here. Price came this position, bounced down. Again, second try and came down. Now, the next one, fifth. Price acted as both support and resistance. Here we can see in this area price has came several times. 1, here 2, 3 and after that support, support and support. This means before it was a resistance and after that it became a support for these levels. Let's move on to the last one, 6th. Here we can see the price has formed a recent high of July month. Here, July month. And after that price has again respected these areas. So it becomes a visible resistance and again price has taken support at these levels, recent levels. Before you go, please hit the like button because it took a lot of effort to create this video. and subscribe so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified first. Share with your friends and family so people in need get this information. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.